How to connect the iPhone 16 Pro Max with a hidden Wi-Fi network. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, tap on Wi-Fi. Now here in networks list, tap on others and then enter the correct Wi-Fi name which is hidden. So enter the name as it is. And after entering the name, select the security type that network uses, and after that enter the password, and after entering the correct password and name, tap on this join option on the top right corner. So when you will tap on join, the phone will be connected to that hidden Wi-Fi network. So that's how you can connect the iPhone 16 Pro Max with a hidden Wi-Fi network. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.